Hi guys, I want to give back. I was one step before to give back my PlayStation 5 because of this error code CE-108255-1 because several times the game crashed down and I wanted to share now my solution. Here we are. Go to manage game content and look what language is installed. In my case, English. Okay. Go back. Settings. System. Language. And change your language from your PlayStation. In this case, like the game settings in English in United States. And go back and I can play like nothing happens. I'm located in Germany and my PlayStation settings was always in German, but now I changes in English and no more crashing and nothing. I can play every game, every modus, Kampagne and zombie mode and online. I hope I can help you with this and yes, have fun.